Hello, my friend. I'm Mary Howard, RN with Powerline Health, bringing you another episode of Essentially Yours, where we like to come alongside you and help you in your day. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make an essential oil roller ball for your allergies. And we're simply going to use lemon, lavender, and peppermint. So, it really is this easy. We're going to use 10 drops of lemon, we're going to use 10 drops of lavender, and we're going to use 10 drops of peppermint. And it is that simple. So our lemon is going to help us with cleansing our body, detoxification of the body. Our lavender is going to help us by calming the immune reactions that we're having with our allergy season. And the peppermint is going to help open those airways so you just get a little better oxygenation. And it really is that simple. Then we're going to just fill our bottle up with carrier oil and put our roller ball together, put a lid on it, apply our label, and we have our essential oil allergy balm. And it is that simple. So some other things you can do for allergies is do what we call an allergy balm in a capsule. So I'm just going to simply get an empty capsule, and we're simply going to put 2 drops of each oil in the capsule. And 2 drops of peppermint. It's a little tricky doing this where it's always on the camera. Then we're going to close that up and take that with a glass of water. And it's that easy. So we always want to close our bottles up, because essential oils evaporate. They're actually more of an alcohol than an oil. And we always want to make sure we have the right lids on the right bottles, because you can change the smell of your bottle of essential oils by getting the wrong lid on. And here we go. There we are. It really is that easy, folks. Lemon, lavender, and peppermint. So during allergy season, there are a couple of other, another oil mix that works really well that you can use to diffuse: lemon, eucalyptus, Melaleuca, and peppermint. And again, I would probably put a little more eucalyptus than this is probably the order I would do that in. I would probably do 3 drops of this, 3 drops of that, 2 drops of this, and 2 drops of that. And that would be how I would do it. And that would be a nice respiratory blend that you could use at night. So you could, again, make that up in a roller ball and put it on your wrists. You could also put it on your chest, your neck, and it would help open up those airways. If this video has been helpful to you, please like and share our channel. I'm Mary with Powerline Health. And until next time, be well.